PorcelQuick stainless trims are available in a double pencil, round edge, straight edge and straight edge formable for curves. The straight edge is also available with 3 heavy-duty powder-coated stone effect finishes in beige, dark grey and grey. 2cm external porcelain is a fantastic, versatile and hard-wearing external surface, but their exposed edges are not aesthetically pleasing. Some porcelain have different coloured bodies to their surface. Some have banded colours on their edge. An unfinished edge can also be very sharp, which is both dangerous and has the potential to chip. A cut edge is even more unattractive, with the edge prone to micro-chipping, which can be made worse on some glazes that exposed a white underglaze. PorcelQuick stainless trims overcome these problems by providing a neat and attractive edge that is easily applied. To fix PorcelQuick trims, you will need the trims and, if required, the external corners, masking tape, angle grinder with inox blade, polymer style cartridge applied adhesive, silicone sealant and backer rod. Use the inox blade to cut the trim, but make sure you regularly cool the trim to avoid the surface burning. If using the double pencil or round edge trims, you will need to backfill the void with tiling adhesive. Mark the position of the trims and apply the polymer cartridge adhesive. Bed the trims into the adhesive and allow to set. Apply a second bead of the cartridge adhesive on top of the trim. Using a thick bed tiling trowel, apply a bed of tiling adhesive to the step and back butter the tile to ensure the tile is solidly bedded with no voids between the tile and the surface. Apply the tiles leaving a joint of about 4 mm between the trim and the tile edge. Apply masking tape to the tile, then fix backing rod into the joint until there is about a 5 mm gap between the tile surface and the top of the backer rod. If you do not have backer rod, use tissue paper or similar. Apply a matching silicone sealant into the joint and clean off. Finish off with grout. For more information on PorcelQuick trims, go to porcelquick.com.